The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northern Tarrant County in north central Texas until 8:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Over Westwood Village or over River Oaks, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Blue Mountain around 8:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. Haltom City around 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Watauga and Richland Hills around 8:35 a.m. Central Standard Time. Hurst around 8:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Euless, Bedford, and Pantego around 8:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lake Arlington, Donworthington Gardens, Westover Hills, and Lake Worth. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 48 and 58. Interstate 30 between mile markers 8 and 31. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, northeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:47 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Grapevine, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged and destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Louisville around 9:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. Carrollton and Hebron around 9:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. The Colony around 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Grapevine Lake and Louisville Lake. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 443 and 452. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.